Bees are on a flow. No idea what, but they are on it. It's crazy over here. James Lee with James Lee's Bees. First swarm of the year, April 15th, tax day. Happy tax day, everybody. This is one of my backyard colonies, and it's an amazing sight. You should see it. I was on day 2 working my not my backyard, the mating yard colonies, and just finished up with one of my bigger ones and rehiving them, and I got a phone call from the missus who said that the bees are all over the place. It's like a sea of bees in the backyard. I'd show you the queen catch, but I opened the box up and decided to start looking around for it because it looked like they failed. I'll post the picture up. And they were just all over the front of the colonies here, and they were still in their winter pack. So I hurried up and pulled the foam off, tried to alleviate some of the drift there, and I found the queen on the ground. I put her in a cage and stuck her in this nuke box that was in the garage. All of my tools for catching swarms or working bees are at the other yard because I hurried up home, but this is a massive, massive cluster. And I'm gonna leave the box here with the queen inside of the nuke and let all of the bees that were trying to swarm go ahead and work their way into this box here, and then we'll sift through the surviving colony and make some splits with whatever swarm cells are remaining. And I guess it's go time here in Michigan on tax day. Pretty exciting. I'm not happy that they swarmed, but it is what it is. Makes splitting easier. Massive amount of bees. The queen that is in there is a white dot queen, and that is number 18. 18 is a colony from Jackson, Michigan, I believe. If my memory serves me, I'll have to check the records. Caught in a swarm downtown Jackson area. Pretty cool. Who knows how old she was when I caught her, but I marked her with a white dot when I did. I'll post up another picture or take a video once they all get in the box here in a few hours. I'm gonna go back and work my other colonies.